Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velver Reviews here, and I got a new product, got it off of Amazon. I got this outlet for my mom to put inside the kitchen. This way she can charge her phone faster. This is supposed to be a very high-speed charger, or whatever that's called. It's supposed to be. It says 6 amps of charging power, so we'll see if that's really true. And there's 3 ports on here which you can charge like anything, which is, there's so much stuff to charge. Tamper resistance, I guess we don't really care about that. And ELEGRP, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. That's the name of the brand. There's nothing else on the box. That's pretty much it. We got them in white. I got a 2-pack, just in case we're going to install another one. So at least, you know, we have 2 instead of 1 already here. So they come in separate boxes when you open it up. Built-in smart chip, it says, for faster charging, compatible with the latest USB, high efficiency, and yada yada yada. This is the 20 amp version. They do have a 15 amp version, but I got the more powerful one, just because I always get the more powerful stuff. Let's see what comes in this box. So that's all that comes in the box. So you have your, obviously, installation guide. And then you have the plugs. See, this is the 20 amp version. The one on the wall is the 15 amp version. So this is supposed to be higher amperage. It has a 2.7 amp and a 3.3 amp charging capability is what it says. Okay, so let's see how fast that really is. So it does come with an outlet cover, which is good, but we're going to use the outlet cover that's there because it's a lot bigger, covers more area. This looks pretty small. It's a snap-on, which is cool, so it doesn't show any screws. But I don't think it's going to work. But maybe it will. Maybe I'll put in the whole thing and we'll see what it looks like. I don't know the size difference. So, so it only has 2 terminals, well, a ground, but 2 terminals and a ground. It's enough to put, you know, 2 wires in there and jump off onto another outlet. So obviously this side's the hot, the silver side, chrome side, whatever, is the white. And I'm going to put it this way. It doesn't say up or down. Everyone does not, there's nothing that says the ground has to go up or down. But if you look at majority of plugs, especially the close quarter plugs, they're all facing down with the ground. Well, 99% of them I've seen is facing down with the ground. So if you plug it in like that, you'll have the weight with the ground going down. You know what I mean? And there'll be less weight on the plug, so it won't get so loose. Because if you have it the other way, it'll be pulling the weight away from the wall. And it looks like it is. Alright, good. We use the same tape. Now that's efficiency right there. Perfect. Alright, so this is 14 gauge, so it's going to go right in here very easily. Okay. I'm going to leave the ears on it because I'm leaving the ears because it'll help give it more surface area, as you can see, to grip onto the tile. Because sometimes they make the wall too big, you know, the hole. Because I didn't put in this wall, someone else did. But even if I did put it in, you know, sometimes you're not using a sharp blade, and then you make a mistake, and then the hole's a little bit bigger. So I get it, you make a mistake. I mean, if I saw every hole bigger in here, then I'd be like, there's a problem. This is the only one so far that I know is definitely bigger. And then we want it in the center too, obviously. I want it like this as much as possible. Yeah, see, I want it like that. So I want it exactly like that. So let's hold it and make sure it doesn't move. Okay, that feels... Ooh, yeah, that's tight. Yeah. I mean, I'm going to go a little bit more on the top. Just to make it... Okay, that's really snug. Great. Alright, so now we got this cover. I think it goes this side out. Oh, it says this side out. Isn't that weird? Mount over device. Device, you mean the outlet. So it says this side out. I thought it would have went this way. Okay. It says this side out. It goes this way. I mean, I didn't read the directions. I guess I can look at a little picture real quick. Let me... Hopefully I didn't break it. I don't know. We'll see. It says pry off down at the bottom. And then it should come off, but I want to make it a little bit tighter, so just a tiny bit. Okay. Alright, just a little bit, you know. I mean, that plastic feels good. It feels very snug, so hopefully this goes on easy and I didn't break anything. Yeah, it looks like it still goes back on. Let's see. Oh, it does. It just pushes on. Okay, I mean, it works. And now it's white, and now it matches, so everything looks cool. So I'll keep this cover plate for something else, because I don't have anything that matches it either. Alright, so that's it. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the installation and the setup. Make sure you always follow your local and state electrical codes when you're doing installations or anything in your house, actually, that's construction or you can die from. Make sure you follow all your codes if you don't have any licensing. And that's it. So, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Alright, everybody be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye. Oh, let me do a close-up. I'm sorry. So that's what it looks like dead on. And there are your outlets.